heading to
the most magical place on earth.
Disney!
The bus! Oh, that's right, Disney.
You got a new direction. It's going up the wall. I wish you could escape all the noise in your brain for a while. I found a new prescription. It's being MIA. I don't know where I go, but the push and the pull isn't great. No, it's not great.
We have a reservation for the Caribbean.
Don't follow the GPS.
Okay.
Go to the shopping light, make a left. So the next light, that's Victory Way.
Next light left, double left. Thanks, guys. I messed that up. Hey, thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So we're going to the Caribbean. You switched it up on me.
You knew that, B. Come on now.
I had a feeling.
I'm excited.
I don't know how to face me. It's living in my bones. You can see when I'm off.
Good choice.
Good choice.
Look at these plumes.
This is beautiful.
I love a
in
good
here.
plume.
You love a good plume?
I love a good plume.
What's a plume? That's the plumeria. They're really pretty, but in the winter they look naked because they lose all their leaves. This is absolutely beautiful.
Game plan, GP. We're gonna settle in, grab our laptops, and do a little work. Grab a pina colada, maybe a snack.
What's it called? Disney Springs tonight?
Feeling unsure, let me say my side. You're my side. I am all in. What more do you want me to say? I will fall in, but fight till I'm not in the way. Go need the inside.
It's really, really pretty around here. We're actually gonna book a second night. It's just gonna work a lot better for us. Sean is doing a little bit of work. 1 o'clock right now. So we're gonna go hopefully hang by the pool for a couple hours, grab a quick bite, and then either head to the Disney Boardwalk or head to Disney Springs. And we're gonna spend the evening there, get a nice dinner.
Hey there, come here, that's right, it's Maynard. He turns the red into, and he got the so far.
That was fun.
You should do it.
I'll wait. Come on.
No.
Live a little, you know? Like the G-force on that slide, you wouldn't even get it.
Okay. All right. We are headed out to Disney Springs. We're going to Disney Springs.
I'm thinking Italian. Ashley's thinking Japanese.
Sushi.
We'll probably go that route. Mwah. I am. Tale as old as what? Why can't I sing?
I don't know how much we got of yesterday. We ended up just grabbing dinner and we just went back, relaxed at the hotel room. And now where are we going?
Magic Kingdom.
No, it's not great.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Magic Kingdom monorail station.
I don't know how to fix you. Guess now I've got two jobs. I get straight to the point, but I take it all down as a loss. I don't know how to fix me. It's living in my bones. You can see when I'm off. Yeah, I know.
There's nobody here.
Ariel's here. gonna enjoy a little life under the sea.
my side. I am all in.
What a babe. What a babe. I could live the mountain life.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, you got soaked! I'll be honest, I didn't really get wet. I closed my eyes. I was
You
scared.
closed your eyes.
Yeah, I was scared.
Room 1. This is cool.
It has been magical. I feel like a kid. I feel like this is the first time I'm experiencing the whole party.
In a long time.
What's been your favorite part all day, babe?
Favorite ride is definitely Splash Mountain.
Easy choice.
Yeah.
Yeah. We went to Space Mountain first. Didn't you feel like you were gonna hit your head on that ride?
A couple times. But not like actually.
Jeez. Yep, that's how it should be. I could cry.
Why?
I don't want to leave. And then Mickey's like, oh, yeah, I'm not doing. Me and Ashley, we decided to get another room at the Caribbean Resort. The guy at the desk was really nice. We started chatting him up a little bit. He was from up north. So he decided to hook us up with the pirate themed room. No extra charge. Just Brian being a good guy. Won't. You won't, Joe. Oh!
I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna take my mask off.
Rebel alert. No. I don't remember doing this.
A brand new flight crew. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia.